Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello friends, I am Sneha Gurov from Zee Polytechnic Mechanical Department. My group members are Vikas Kamble, Omkar Pawar, Pushkar Bendre, and our project guidance name Professor Dhawale sir, Professor Kulkarni sir, and Professor Shirsagar sir. Project name is Safety System Used in Modern Car. Content: Introduction, Types of Safety System, Airbag, Anti-Lock Brake, Traction Control, Electronic Stability Control, Seat Belt, Autonomous Emergency Braking, Lane Keeping Assistant, Collision Warning System. Introduction. Cars today are much safer to travel in than cars 10 or 20 years ago. As a result of crash test design have changed and are still changing. Special department resources are used from improving safety. Why is safety important? Let's see car safety features: airbag, anti-lock brake, traction control, electronic stability control, safety belt, autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assistant, collision warning system. Airbags. Airbags are one of the most important safety inventions of recent decades. The purpose of an airbag is to help the passenger in the care. They are speed in collision without getting injured. Anti-lock braking system. Anti-lock braking system means they provide the driver with more stability and prevent the car from spinning out of control in the particular on wet or slippery surface. Traction control. Traction control, the main purpose of employing this system is to control wheel slip occurring during acceleration on slippery roads. Electronic stability control. Electronic stability control technology automatically activates the brakes to help the steer wheel in the right direction. Seatbelt. Seatbelt can save your life in the crash and can reduce your risk of serious injury. Seatbelt keep driver and passenger from being injected through door and windows. Autonomous emergency braking. Automatic braking is safety technology that automatically activates the vehicle brake system to some degrees when necessary. Activate crash avoids technology use sensor, camera, rider and leader to detect wheels. Lane keeping assistant. Lane keep alerts are simple visual and audible notification that let the driver know their car crossing over into another lane without signaling. Collision warning system. Collision warning system monitor a wheel's speed, the speed of the wheels in the front of it and distance between the wheels to so that it can provide a warning to the driver if the wheel get the close, potentially helping to avoid a crash. Let's see a video.
Active safety covers technologies that can prevent accidents altogether, or at least can actively help you to reduce the impact of emergency situations. To that end, various safety systems constantly monitor the performance and the surroundings of your vehicle. Simply put, active safety prevents or mitigates an accident pre-impact, so before it actually happens. The first wave of active safety is already widely fitted to today's cars and commercial vehicles. Anti-lock braking systems prevent the wheels of your car from locking should you brake heavily, and enable you to keep steering. Electronic stability controls helps prevent your car from skidding and you from losing control while turning a corner. Now, a second wave of active safety measures is being introduced using cutting-edge technology such as sensors, radar, cameras, GPS, and lasers. Autonomous emergency braking systems start braking automatically if a collision is imminent and you are not taking any action or not fast enough. Lane keeping assistance systems take over steering or apply pressure to the brakes if your car is drifting out of its travel lane. Drowsiness and attention detection systems assess your alertness and warn you to take a break when needed. If a collision is really unavoidable, active safety systems are also able to reduce the impact. Slowing the speed of a vehicle before impact can save lives, for example.
Thank you.